Ever woken up and thought, why can't I just speak English like I'm texting my friends? You know the words, you understand everything, but the moment someone says, "Good morning, how's your day starting?" your mind just freezes?
Exactly. And here's the crazy part. It's not about knowing more English, it's about what you do in the first 10 minutes of your morning.
We're talking about morning English habits that actually make you speak confidently, not another grammar lesson, not motivation, just real patterns you can use today without thinking.
And if you've ever stood in front of someone, understood every word they said, but couldn't reply because you didn't know what fits that moment, this video is exactly what you need.
We'll show you 3 morning habits, but one of them is so powerful, it literally rewires how your brain speaks English.
But before we reveal which one, let's talk about why you freeze in the first place. Because once you understand this,
Picture this. You're grabbing coffee, the barista smiles and says, "Hey, how's it going?" And your brain just, nothing. You stand there like a robot.
or worse, you're in the elevator, your colleague says, "Rough morning, huh?" And you just nod because you can't find the right English for that moment.
But here's what's frustrating. You watched that English series last night, you understood every single word, every joke, but when it's your turn to speak, blank.
So why does this happen? Why do some people just flow with English while you're stuck translating in your head?
And more importantly, why does it feel worse in the morning, like your English brain hasn't woken up yet?
Well, that's actually the key. Your morning is either killing your confidence or building it, and nobody talks about this.
Because here's the truth. Your brain doesn't need more English. It needs the right English at the right time. And mornings are when you can install that.
Okay, so here's why you freeze. Your brain is searching for perfect English, but native speakers, they're just using patterns, the same phrases over and over without thinking.
Exactly. When someone says, "How's it going?" they're not creating a new sentence. They've said it 1,000 times. It's automatic, like muscle memory.
And your morning, that's when your brain is fresh. That's when it absorbs patterns the fastest. It's like planting seeds before the day gets messy.
So instead of scrolling through your phone for 10 minutes, what if you use that time to wire in English patterns that you'll actually use today?
That's what these 3 morning habits do. They train your mouth, not your memory. And the best part, you'll feel the difference in real conversations within days.
Now, the first habit sounds almost too simple, but people who do this for just 1 week say it's like a switch flipped in their brain.
So what is it, and why does talking to yourself in the morning change everything?
All right, here's habit number 1, and trust me, you're already doing half of it wrong.
Habit number 1, the second you wake up, before you check your phone, before you do anything, say out loud in English what you're doing.
Wait, like literally talk to yourself?
Yes, because right now you're thinking in your language and then translating to English. That delay is why you freeze. But when you wake up and immediately speak English, you're training your brain to think in English.
Okay, so give me examples. What do I actually say?
Simple stuff. I slept well. I'm feeling a bit tired. Let me check the time. I need some water. Just describe what's happening.
Oh, so not like I am going to brush my teeth, more like let me brush my teeth. The way people actually talk.
Exactly. You're installing real English, not textbook English. And here's the thing. You're doing it when no one's listening, so there's zero pressure.
But does this actually help with real conversations? Because I'm not talking to myself at the coffee shop.
Great question. And that's why habit 2 is even more powerful, because it takes these patterns and puts them into real life situations you'll face today.
Wait, so habit 2 is about responding to people.
Not just responding, it's about having ready-to-use English for every morning situation. And I'm about to give you the exact phrases.
All right, habit number 2, practice the morning English you'll actually hear today. Because someone will ask you, "How are you?" And if you say, "I'm fine," one more time, we need to talk.
Right, so here's what native speakers actually say. "I'm good, just need some coffee. Not bad, a bit sleepy though. Pretty good, how about you?" See, real answers, not robotic ones.
Okay, what about at the coffee shop? Because I always freeze when the barista talks to me.
Easy patterns. They say, "What can I get you?" You say, "Can I get a cappuccino, please?" Or, "I'll have a latte, thanks." If they ask for here or to go, just say, "To go, please."
Wait, that's it? I've been overthinking this for years.
That's the problem. You're trying to create perfect sentences when all you need are these simple patterns. And here's another one. Someone says, rough morning? You just say, yeah, didn't sleep much. Or, not really, I'm feeling okay.
So it's just about having these ready phrases in my head before the situation happens?
Exactly. But here's the issue. If you don't do habit number 3, you'll still freeze, because knowing the pattern and using it automatically are two different things.
Wait, so what's habit 3?
This one's the secret. It's called the 2-minute mirror practice, and people who skip this never actually speak confidently, even if they know all the patterns.
Okay, now I need to know what this is.
Habit number 3. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror for just 2 minutes and practice responding to questions out loud, not in your head, out loud.
Wait, why the mirror though?
Because when you see yourself speaking, your brain connects the words to your face, to your mouth movement. It becomes real, not just thoughts floating around.
Okay, so what questions do I practice?
The ones you'll hear today. Ask yourself, how are you? Then answer, I'm good, just woke up. Ask, what are your plans today? Answer, nothing much, just work. You're literally training your mouth to respond without thinking.
So it's like rehearsing before the real conversation happens.
Exactly. Actors don't just read scripts in their head, they practice out loud. You need to do the same with English. Here are 7 patterns you can start with today.
Okay, give them to me.
1. How's it going? Answer, pretty good, you? 2. Did you sleep well? Say, yeah, not bad, or not really, rough night. 3. What's up? Just say, not much, just getting ready.
These are so simple.
4. You look tired. Respond with, yeah, long week, or I'm okay, just need coffee. 5. Got any plans today? Say, just the usual, or nothing special. 6. Someone says, morning. You say, morning, how are you?
Wait, I always just say morning and walk away awkwardly.
That's why this habit changes everything. 7. How was your weekend? Answer, it was nice, pretty relaxing, or too short, as always. Now, practice these in the mirror for 2 minutes and your brain will pull them out automatically when you need them.
So I'm not translating anymore, I'm just responding.
Exactly. This is how you stop freezing. You're giving your brain ready patterns, and the mirror makes it stick because you're seeing and hearing yourself speak confidently.
Okay, but what if I'm still nervous about messing up?
That's the beauty of mornings. You practice when no one's watching, so when the real moment comes, it feels like you've already done it before.
All right, before we finish, we're giving you 3 more phrases you'll probably use this week, maybe even today.
These are gold because nobody teaches you this stuff. First one, someone asks, you okay? Don't just say yes, say, yeah, I'm fine, just thinking. Or, yeah, all good, why?
Oh, because you okay usually means they noticed something, so you're acknowledging it.
Exactly. Second one, you're running late and someone's waiting. Don't say, sorry, I'm late. Say, sorry, I got caught up, or sorry, lost track of time. It sounds natural, not stiff.
And number 3?
This one's huge. When you don't understand something, stop saying what or sorry. Just say, wait, what do you mean? Or can you say that again? Or even, sorry, I didn't catch that.
These feel so much more natural than what I've been saying.
Because this is how English actually flows in real life, not in textbooks. And here's the thing, if you practice just these 3 in the mirror tomorrow morning, you'll use at least one of them by the end of the day.
So morning practice, real life use, that's the cycle.
That's the cycle, and the more you do it, the less you freeze, because your brain already has the answer ready.
Okay, so now we need to talk about something important.
If these morning habits helped you, we need to know because we're thinking about making a night English habits video. The phrases you use when you're wrapping up your day, ending conversations, saying goodbye naturally.
So if you want that, just comment yes right now. And if we see enough people asking, we'll make it happen.
And here's the thing, if you've ever frozen in a morning conversation, even once, hit that like button because that tells us you get it, you understand the struggle.
Now, quick question. What if you're doing these morning habits perfectly, but you're wasting time on other methods that actually slow you down?
Yeah, because most people don't realize they're practicing English the wrong way, and that's why conversations still feel hard even after months of trying.
There's something up here you need to see. It's about the mistakes that waste your time in 2026 and how to actually master conversations fast without the confusion.
And here's the other thing. These morning habits work, but what about the rest of your day? What if there's a faster way to build confidence in English that nobody talks about?
That's exactly what we cover up here. Simple strategies that make speaking feel natural, not forced, and you'll wish you knew this sooner.
So after this video, check those out because if you're serious about 2026 being your year for English, you can't miss what's in there.
Subscribe if you want more ready-to-use patterns like this, and share this with someone who's tired of freezing in conversations.
Because here's what happens tomorrow morning. You wake up, talk to yourself for 30 seconds, practice in the mirror for 2 minutes, and when someone says, "How's it going?" you just respond. No thinking, no translating.
That's the shift. English becomes automatic, not stressful.
Start with one habit tomorrow, and don't skip what's waiting for you up here. It connects everything. See you there, and remember, you already know enough English. You just need the right system.
Let's go.